shoot. Ayan.
Anong number to? Anong number?
And then the next table will be this table here. Ganyan tayo. Kasi walang number. So, ganyan yung table na to. So, we have our first table. Okay, lahat po ng mga kids ko, please, we will advise you to sit on your tables and chairs. I think the food that I will be served by our waiters. So, ayan. Ngayon lang po namin yung mga
Later na, later na.
kids to
Turn up mo
serve.
muna, turn up.
Okay, so ready na po for our first group. Okay, smile. Smile. Closer.
Hold na, hold na, hold na.
And then you do like this. Sanjiro is one. Sanjiro is one. And then let's wave our hands and say, Happy birthday, Sanjiro!
Later.
Thank you po. Paano na po dumiretso sa ating buffet for your food? Alright. Okay, so this table po. Those are sitting at this table. Please join the family for the photo. If you have kids with you, pakisip ka po yung mga kids nila.
Wait. Sige sa picture, i-picture lang tayo. I-picture tayo, i-picture. I-picture tayo. Ay, sige pa tayo, i-picture tayo. I-picture tayo. Ako nga hawak eh. Wala ka na. Harap. Ganon lang, ganon. Bakit na
Picture tapos iPad. Picture tapos iPad. Look at the camera. Cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Yung hands mo, Gabriel. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Say hi, say hi, hi.
Okay, salamat po. Thank you so much. Okay, yung mga kids po natin, parents are advised to bring the children to the front, have them seated. Kasi yung ating waiters po, sila yung serve the food.
Opo ka dito sa ano.
Make sure they're sitting on their tables and chairs.
Ay,
Okay?
pauwiin mo si Gabriel dyan, ay.
So, naka-ready na po ating VIP plated na table. So, okay, can we have the next table on this table here? So, lahat po na nakaupo sa table na to. You're invited
Gabriel na lang
to
doon,
the
eh.
birthday
Dito ka.
party.
Ay, pumila na doon. Ay, pumila na doon. Yan ka lang, ha?
Again, you're requesting by your parents. You are advised to bring the children to their kiddie tables and chairs po. We are now serving their food. Para makita po ng mga waiters natin who to serve for the kids. So, dito po yung mga kids natin. So, if you can invite the parents po to usher your kids now to the front. Para ma-serve na po ang ating food for them. Ayan. Kaya na po nila umupo by themselves. Okay, ayun. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Ayan. We are now serving the kids food actually. Okay, let's have this table for the next photo shoot po. This table here. Tawagin natin mga kasama natin para mag-photo. So again, mga parents, you're advised to bring the children in front po. We are now serving their food. Okay, so if they can sit by themselves, if they can sit beside them, okay na po yan. while we're having our photo shoot per table. Okay. So para wala kayong ma-miss out ng mga kids for their separate food. Okay, ready na ba tayo for the photo shoot, everyone? Okay guys, ready? Everyone, look here. Sa cellphone muna tayo. Unofficial.